Namaskar. Today we are going to prepare mint panna cotta. Ingredients required are milk, mojito, a mint flavored syrup, sugar, gelatin, cooking cream. Soak gelatin in 30 ml of water and leave for 2 minutes. Soak gelatin for mint jelly also. Firstly, add milk, cooking cream, and sugar. These three start to cook till it boils. The mixture is boiled and leave for cooling down. Bloom the gelatin. For mint jelly panna cotta, add 100 ml of water with sugar, mojito, a mint flavored syrup, and boil it. Once the sugar is dissolved, leave it on the side to bloom the gelatin for the mint jelly. That is mojito mixture, and just mix it and leave it for cooling. The panna cotta mixture has to be little warm. After warm, add the bloom gelatin and mix it. Pour the panna cotta mixture into the juice glasses and leave for freezing for 3 hours. After setting vanilla panna cotta, just put a mint jelly, a thin layer, and leave for setting in a deep for 1 hour. After setting the mint jelly for 1 hour, the mint panna cotta is ready to serve.